Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 6 of my favorite gel polish brands. I will have the names of each color in the description. So if you see a color you like, look in the description and you'll find the name. With the Tracy Nails polish, it's so pigmented, it's so perfect for nail art. I only use one layer of polish with all 5 of them. I did get some glitter on them from my UV lamp, so just ignore that, but that's only 1 layer per color. So pigmented, so bomb. On to Valentino, same thing. If you guys see a color you like, the name or number is in the description. This is probably one of my most asked questions. What color is this? It's 063 by Valentino. It's so bomb. Everyone should have that color. Valentino is also super pigmented like Tracy Nails. The only difference is some colors are, I feel like they're a little too runny, so I wouldn't really be able to use them for nail art personally. I don't know, they're just not as thick as Tracy Nails, but they're super bomb. Those also have 1 layer of color, so they're super pigmented. I believe for all the daily Charme shades, I did have to use 2 coats, so they weren't as pigmented as Valentino or the Tracy Nails. I'm going to take this time to plug myself. Make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, Nails by Dom. Back to the video. Nailz Bling Supply has the best nude base coats ever. They have a variety of all different kinds of colors. They're all super transparent, so they look really similar to acrylic. My voice is giving me issues today. I don't know what's going on, but it's so scratchy, so I'm sorry. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys found a color or you checked out a brand and you ended up really liking it. I have more videos coming later this week, and I will see you next time.